Experience the future of mobile technology. With the Huawei Mate X, the new folding design integrates a new era of communicative interaction. Keep it compact for daily smartphone tasks, or unfold to reveal an exceptional experience in multitasking or entertainment. Defining a new category of mobile devices. By adopting flexible display, the soft screen can bend and stretch numerous times without compromise. Prepared to be surprised by its innovation and groundbreaking performance. The Huawei Mate X is engineered to be impressively thin with the falcon wing design. This unprecedented stretchable hinge is artistically crafted to dissolve into the device for a smooth and flat finish on both sides of the device. The firm and durable design ensures the screen will not overstretch while folding or bulge in unfolding. The Huawei Mate X is declaring a new epoch for screen design that is now edge-to-edge. For a real Huawei full view, bring freedom to your eyes with a wider view and enchanting color in the brighter LED display. Ushering in the 5G revolution with the Huawei Balong 5000. The world's first 7nm multi-mode 5G chipset achieves the industry-leading 5G download speed. The Huawei Mate X with Balong 5000 officially unlocks a new experience in the 5G era. Mobile portrait photography is now a real collaboration between the photographer and their subject. The dual-screen design allows them to preview the shot in real time from both sides and contribute their creative ideas to produce a stunning portrait. The power switch is integrated with the fingerprint reader into one fast and secure button. Be recognized within a second and start your day with just one touch.